A few weeks ago, we took a 2-week road trip from Arkansas over across the East Coast and back. So this is the second of that video series, our second video at Niagara Falls. So in this one, we take a ride in the Maid of the Mist, as seen here. So we go up into Horseshoe Falls, and it's really fun. If you're new to my videos, normally I do features about Arkansas and sometimes Volkswagen buses. It's weird. But I need, we took this vacation and I'm going to keep it on the interwebs for my children. So here you are, you're welcome. If you would like to see more of what we've been up to, I'll suggest this video right here. And hey, you might as well subscribe. Hit that little bell so you get a notification. Anyway, my videos and my channel are all about my belief that no matter where you are in life, you can go from here and build it in the direction you want it to go. Progress is progress. Life is what you make it. Let's get our hands dirty. That ride make you have to pee?
Yep. Let's go.